Hey there, everyone. Welcome back. Today we've got an incredibly valuable topic to discuss. How to save money on a $20,000 salary. Whether you're just starting out in your career or looking to be more mindful of your finances, this video is packed with practical tips that will help you make the most of your hard-earned money. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Segment 1. Setting clear goals. Step 1 on our journey to saving money with a $20,000 salary is setting clear financial goals. Knowing exactly what you're saving for will give you the motivation to stick to your budget. Whether it's building an emergency fund, paying off debts, or planning a future vacation, having these goals in mind will help you make smarter financial decisions. Segment 2. Creating a realistic budget. Alright, folks, now it's time to create a budget that works for you. List down all your monthly expenses: rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, everything. Allocate a portion of your salary to each category and make sure you're not overspending. This budget will be your financial roadmap, guiding you toward your savings goals. Segment 3. Minimizing unnecessary expenses. We all have those little expenses that can add up quickly. Daily coffee runs, eating out often, or impulse shopping. It's time to be mindful of these habits. Consider making your coffee at home and preparing meals in advance. And before making a purchase, ask yourself if it's something you truly need or just a fleeting want. Segment 4. Embracing frugal living. Living frugally doesn't mean sacrificing happiness. It's all about making smarter choices. Look for free or low-cost entertainment options, like hiking, reading, or exploring your local community. And when it comes to shopping, don't shy away from thrift stores or online marketplaces. You'd be amazed at the treasures you can find. Segment 5. Maximizing savings. Let's talk about saving strategies. Consider setting up an automatic transfer to a dedicated savings account right after you receive your paycheck. This pay-yourself-first approach ensures that your savings grow consistently. And hey, don't forget to take advantage of any employer-sponsored retirement plans or matching contributions. It's basically free money. There you have it, folks. A roadmap to saving money on a $20,000 salary. Remember, it's all about being intentional with your spending, setting clear goals, and making gradual changes that align with your financial aspirations. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial stability and building a secure future. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, take care and save wisely.